You thought I was gonna jump in the pool, didn't you? I mean, I can't fall in every pool. Welcome to this stunning pool home on a corner lot with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a private study, and upgrades that bring the wow. Inside, it's all about elegance, with crown molding, tray ceilings, and hand-scraped hardwood floors throughout. This kitchen, total showstopper. Granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a layout perfect for hosting, or just impressing your takeout. And the sunroom gives you year-round comfort with a front row seat to the backyard oasis. The pool is huge. The jacuzzi has a waterfall, and the whole space is just calling for your next party. You also get community perks like a pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, and more. Just minutes from UF, Shands, Celebration Point, and all the hot spots. This home is fun, functional, and full of flair, and it won't last long.